6 months ago, Jessica requested a video on fried green beans. Jessica, this video is for you. For this recipe, you're going to need 25 fresh green beans, 1 egg, a half a cup of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 cup of seasoned breadcrumbs, a half a cup of flour, a half a tablespoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and a half a tablespoon of oregano. Wash the green beans and trim off the ends. Next, set up your breading stations. Mix the egg and the milk together. Combine the breadcrumbs with all the other seasonings. And last but not least, the flour. And let me do the old switcheroo so they're in order of what I'm going to use them for. And now you're going to take each green bean, dip it in the flour, coat it with the egg mixture, and cover it with the breadcrumb mixture. When all of them have been breaded, it's time to fry them up. Heat the oil to 350 degrees and cook 3 to 4 minutes until they're golden brown. Remove them from the oil and place them on a paper towel. I hope you enjoy this video. If you try to make these, let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any requests, put them in the comments too. And make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any great recipes.